भाई प्रग आ गया है।
Oh, they are here, bhai. Oh my, what a, and just adjust the chair, adjust the pieces. What's the first move, Sagar bhai? Quick predictions. I
आई
think
थिंक
E4.
E4 नहीं भाई, नाइट F3 बाय प्रग। C4 प्रग इज C4 बॉय, इंग्लिश बॉय।
I think E4 होगा भाई इस बार।
हर्षित भाई वो वाला म्यूजिक दो ना, कोई ऐसा सस्पेंस बढ़ाने वाला।
And here comes Pragnananda from the white pieces trying to win the tournament. Against him is Maxim Vasharagrav.
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप।
नाइट F3 क्या बात है। C5 played.
C5. Okay, C4. He transposes to the English opening, bhai. As you were saying, and look at the speed with which they're playing.
Yeah.
CD4, Knight D4, blitzing out the first few moves. It's hard to even keep up.
Yeah, somehow the moves are not coming on the board. E6 को Knight D B5 खेला क्या डायरेक्ट, या पहले Queen B6 G3 खेला रहेगा? Queen B6, Knight B5, Knight E5. Yeah, this is a very classical line. Actually, Bishop F4, Knight G4, this Knight G4, it's a very well-known line.
Bishop G2 played by Prag though.
Bishop G2. So he's played this move, and now MVL is thinking, क्या बात है ये, at the right moment the board is not updating. मैं भी इधर से अपडेट करता हूँ।
Bishop G2. Okay, I can check. Yeah.
No, this is the guys. All the people who are saying bad tech management, this is not from our end. This is basically the moves are not updating from the servers there, from the game. तो हम लोग क्या करें?
Queen D4.
भाई पहले C6 मारते हैं, मार के मारे, and then castle he'll do because now there's no bishop A3.
Yes.
But then I go bishop B2 and I'm equal pawns. My bishop looks very powerful.
Mm-hmm. So D4, Prag still thinking. He just fell below 4 minutes. 3 minutes 28 seconds for Maxim.
Oh भाई बढ़िया. Time also. Bishop
takes C6 played.
He took.
Yeah.
Took BC6 quickly played. Queen D4 castles.
Castle.
All of this has happened.
He goes bishop G5. ये क्या मूव है भाई?
Win कर दो भाई knight.
नहीं ये तो ड्रॉ हो जाएगा भाई. Clearly H6, bishop F6, queen F6. ये ड्रॉ जा रहा है भाई. भाई मैं जा रहा हूँ.
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
Prag was like bishop यहाँ रखूंगा तो शायद there could be so. Let's play here safe move.
सागर भाई को हजमोला की सख्त जरूरत है।
जो लोग ये वीडियो देख रहा है ना, प्लीज मत देख। अगर देख रहे हो ना तो प्लीज इसको लाइक और फॉलो करके आगे बढ़ा दीजिए। ये लड़का बहुत ही मेहनत कर रहा है।
जैसे ही उसने बिशप G5 खेला, मेरा पेट वाज लाइक, अरे यार, evaluation bar is inside the stomach. Yeah, maybe bishop B2, Harshit bhai. Just
B2, okay, he goes bishop G5 and H6 was not played.
What did he do?
H6 was not played
C5,
actually.
I think he played, no? Attacking the queen. Oh, C5. Now we have the live board suddenly. Bishop
Yes,
F6.
F6, G6.
What?
Slightly better.
MVL is like, नहीं खेलेंगे हम. ये क्या है यार, क्वीन से अच्छा, because if you would have taken with the queen,
रुक
maybe
मर रहा है भाई.
C5.
कौन मर रहा है C5 का?
हाँ, इसके लिए. Okay, interesting.
Rook B1, but it's still around equal.
Guys,
I mean,
timer is updated. Both players have 2 minutes 30 seconds.
but the black king is a bit weak, so we should definitely say that small edge for Prag. Small edge for Prag, small disadvantage for Sagar bhai.
ये लड़का बहुत ही मेहनत कर रहा है।
So right now it seems like this will be heading towards a draw, but it could also be that Prag manages to do rook lift here.
Yes, Rook B3, Rook F3, Rook B3, Rook FB1 also an idea.
Also Rook D4. Seems like both all rooks are lifting up. Oh, there is also
Please
Queen
take
F3.
rest, bhai.
Harshit. भाई आप मेरे को मत देखो, मैं बंद करता हूँ मेरा कैमरा. आप फोकस करो भाई गेम पे. Rook B2.
Yeah, so Rook B2, he wants to go Rook FB1 and double the rooks. Rook D4 के लिए he wants to go Queen F3, I think. That's the idea. to hit the rook on a8.
भाई लक्षित पारेख is saying सागर भाई get some adrenaline. भाई मिलता है क्या किधर से ऐसे एड्रेनलिन?
भाई मैं ही देता हूँ आपको
मेरे को लगा कि एड्रेनलिन बिल्ड होता है अंदर से. You can also get it.
अबे बकवास बंद कर.
Rook b2.
Okay. So rook b2, rook d4 will be met with queen f3, rook b8.
And now double, yeah?
But
Oh,
then he will just take, no?
yeah, he'll take.
Oh, by the way, if like don't forget that if the white rook ever gives the check to the black king, it's mate, yeah, because there is, I mean, black king does not really have a luft for sure. Oh, by the way, a lot of trades are happening.
Oh, he
What?
gave check here and then took here. ये ऐसे में guys, we will think it's heading to a draw and it can all end in a jiffy with one
Yes.
error. So we need to be super focused
Queen
here.
f3 maybe. Queen f3 could be interesting. Trying to go rook a2 के लिए queen a8 or rook d8. I think queen f3 is a very tricky move.
Hmm.
What? Prag is 1 minute for Prag, 1 minute 44 seconds for
Yeah, I
Maxim.
think Prag has to manage his time slightly better here.
Where,
He cannot
where will he
go low.
go? Because f4 पे क्या तो b2 मर रहा है. Queen f4, king g7, blitzed out.
Wow, if check here, there is queen coming in. How about Harshit by pushing the h pawn forward? Let's bring
H5.
that.
h5, I think h6. That's what Maxim will play there. He won't allow to put your pawn on h6.
Yeah.
45 seconds for Prag.
Guys, let's go full screen now.
e4, yes. e4 played by Prag. One minute.
He takes.
He takes the pawn. That's a small mistake.
Check.
Queen g4 check.
King f8.
I don't know. It feels
Maxim
like
looks a little bit
Yes.
underconfident. Yeah. King h8.
oh my god. Queen f6. He's on the edge, but he's still safe.
Now this is hanging here, and he's
Three.
defended. Also, there was an attack on the f2 pawn.
Queen f5 is a blunder because of queen c3 check. Okay.
So
rook
now
a2.
he takes the a2 pawn, and this is looking very even. But one rook coming in, and this could be all over. Oh, he comes back with his queen. Harshit bhai,
C3.
C passer, A passer. क्या कौन सा? Who has the better chances?
I think white is slightly better because rook d4, rook g4 is a potential idea for white.
Yeah.
30 seconds for Maxim. I think it's anyone's game.
Yeah, this could also be a
Mistake.
draw. And
Rook
guys,
c2,
we will
rook d4,
head.
bhai.
Oh, Prag better now. Clearly.
Prag better.
King g2. खेलो थोड़ा Prag style, like just safeguard your king. Bring it up. It's the best move.
King g2, a5, rook f4. Wow.
Oh yes. But if he goes rook f4 directly, there is check and rook c1. He gets
Yes.
the attack. So that's
No,
why.
no, no.
Oh, he finds king g2.
He finds it.
OP,
Best
OP, OP.
Guys,
Let's
Prag
go,
OP. And now
guys.
it's
Come
Prag.
on.
Let's go. Because rook f4, queen c5 is a very powerful idea right now.
A5. Oh no,
Blunder.
Prag is winning.
Rook f4, queen c5, bhai.
Let's go.
Rook f4, Prag, let's go.
Finds it. Rook f4. Queen
Queen
c3.
c3, queen c5. Queen a7.
By winning f7 मर गया.
Bye, mate. Played. Resigned. What? He won
Prag
it.
wins it. Prag wins it. He wins the tournament. Whoa! MVL can't believe he played so well till the end. Last move. भाई 1 सेकंड में पूरा बदल गया.
Hey,
Oh.
champion Pragnananda wins the event. Maxim shakes his head. Such a gentleman, though, takes it in his stride.
Prag
But
did not
Prag-
even have a smile on his face. Prag was like, भाई मैंने मेरा काम कर दिया.
जलवा है हमारा.